Received a calendar invite or schedule export as an iCal file. These contain standard calendar data ready to import. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and import these iCalendar files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the ICAL format. Details below. Details. ICAL files are calendar data files using the iCalendar standard RFC 5545 format. They contain calendar events, appointments, meetings, tasks, and reminders, with details such as start and end times, locations, attendees descriptions, recurrence rules, and time zones for sharing calendar information across applications. Calendar ICAL files use a plain text format with a structured begin and end block syntax. Components include VCALENDAR for the overall calendar, VEVENT for events, VTODO for tasks, and VTIMEZONE for time zone definitions. Properties within each block use a key value format with optional parameters for rich calendar data. To gain full access to ICAL, the application needed is Microsoft Outlook from Microsoft Corporation. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows may show the file type, but the actual data must be opened in the supporting software. We need to force an application link. Right-click your ICAL file, then click Open With. Prioritize Microsoft Outlook if you see it. If not, test the next program. Sometimes it's a hidden application that works. If the ICAL file won't open, don't panic. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, opening in Calendar apps. Double-click the iCal file, and your default calendar application opens with an import prompt. On Windows, this opens Outlook or the Mail app. On macOS, Calendar app opens. On Linux, GNOME Calendar or Evolution handles iCal imports. Confirm the import to add events to your calendar. Next, importing to Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in a web browser and click the gear icon. Then Settings. Navigate to Import and Export, then choose Import. Select the iCal file and the destination calendar. Google Calendar adds all events from the iCal file with their times, locations, and descriptions preserved across time zones. Finally, viewing as text. Open the iCal file in a text editor like Notepad, VS Code, or Sublime Text, since it is plain text. The structured format reveals event details, times, and metadata in human-readable form. This is useful for inspecting calendar contents, extracting specific events, or troubleshooting import issues across calendar applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.